Firstly, gravitational potential energy converts the kinetic energy of the car so that it sounds faster when it moves down. After the car reaches the ground, it will hit the first part of the domino. The kinetic energy of the car transfers to the kinetic energy of the domino so that it falls down one by one in our second step. At the end of the second step, a domino placed with a magnet falls down and the gravitational force acted by the Earth will increase its speed. So that when it hits the ball with water, the kinetic energy and the gravitational energy will transfer to the kinetic energy of the ball and the ball will begin to roll down the spiral. The magnet placed at the beginning of the spiral has magnetic energy and it can trap the last domino to prevent it from dropping. The ball with the water rolls down, its gravitational potential energy continuously transfers to its kinetic energy for it to roll down. Finally, the water ball drops into the left cap of the pulley. The side is heavier, so it moves down. The pulley changes the direction of the force and is caught by the right side, which contains a lighter ball will move up. When it moves up, it is blocked by a ramp, and because of the collision, the ball starts to roll down.
Gravitational potential energy converts into kinetic energy of the ball. The ball then hits the domino pasted with the plasticine and the kinetic energy transfers to the domino. The gravitational potential energy of the domino also converts to the kinetic energy of the domino and it drops on the right side of the first seesaw. Then the left side of the seesaw goes up as the seesaw uses the concept of turning effects of forces and the sum of anticlockwise motion is larger, so the seesaw turns anticlockwise. The same concept is used on the second seesaw, so the side with the ball in the box will go down and the ball drops in the cup placed on top of the wheels. The gravitational potential energy of the ball converts to the kinetic energy of the ball when it drops into the cup. The kinetic energy transfers to the cup so that it goes down. For the plasticine cup, we put a small little block there to block the car. To Newton's first law, every object continues in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line, unless a resistant force acts on it to change its state. Due to inertia, when the car stops due to the block in front of it, the ping pong ball still moves in its direction and it jumps out of the car and goes inside the cup.
Firstly, we do not know how to set up the spiral. We just tried to cut the cardboard into a spiral shape. However, the cardboard was not easy to bend, much less raising its height. In order to raise the height, so that it could stay like a spiral, we pulled it. But although the shape had been done, we did not know how to make it stand because of the lack of support toward the spiral. Then we thought of the idea of using newspaper to roll it up as a support. However, the newspaper was too soft to stand the weight of the spiral, so it bended easily and the spiral could not stand still. Later, we added a piece of cardboard under the newspaper roll to make it stable. Hence, the newspaper roll could support the spiral because of the strong cardboard base. Whereas, when we tried to roll down the ball in the spiral, the ball always went in different directions and dropped straight from the spiral instead of rolling down. In order to solve this problem, we used aluminum foil to build a border so that the ball would not drop off the spiral and could slide down the spiral.